For this video, I am going to teach you how to add fonts in Figma. So the process that to do first is, or the step that you need to do first is to simply open your desktop app on your device. So all of this process right here is I am going to do this in my desktop device, and you can actually do this in a website version of Figma. So if you do have an extra space in your device, I recommend you to download the desktop app for you to be able to do this one. So now once you are in the app or the desktop app, what you need to do is to create your project. And then once you have added or typed in your text, you just need to simply click on it and then just go to the fonts right here and then select the font that you want. And if you don't have the font that you want right here and you want to add something more, what you need to do is to go into your browser, and then right here we have this font that is named Clay or Clash Display. So this is what I am going to add into my Figma. So you can, or this font is available in font share. So you can, or if you want to use this the same font, you can just access that in here. So now what you need to do next is to download the family. So just click on the download family button situated on the upper right part of your screen, and then just download it, open the executable file into your local files. As you can see right here and open, or you should be able to identify or to see all of the information or all of the funds that are available for you from the family of, or from the fund family. So I have already installed the regular version of the fund. So now I'm going with the medium. What you need to do here is to simply click on it and then hit this install button right here and wait for it to be installed completely into your device. So now once you go back into the Figma desktop app, then once you click onto your text again and then go to your fonts, and then on click onto this all fonts right here and select installed by you from the drop down menu, and then you should be able to see your new font added right here. So it says right here new. So that's it. That is how you can add a new font in Figma. So if you have right here, actually you also have an access to the Google fonts. So if you want that, you can also use all of those fonts from your desktop app or desktop app of Figma. So that's basically it. That is how you can advance. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.